Traders War Room, Traders War Room. We locked and loaded. Stop, some on it.
Hey, you know I'm on that though, man.
Y'all, come join it. In the Traders War Room, warring with the market every day. We on Zoom. Never gonna quit. Ain't no way we gonna lose.
What is up, team? Chuck with Traders War Room back at you with another video. Guys, once again, we had a fantastic day in the marketplace. I'm telling you, it doesn't matter what direction the market goes, as long as you have a plan, your strategy, and that you stay consistent and disciplined to that plan and strategy, you're gonna be just fine, man. So we moving and rocking. We were able to play both sides of the court today, both the long and the short game. Got some futures action in, got some options action, got some penny stocks, man. I'm telling you, we got the one-stop shop. There's something for everyone, every style, every budget, every experience level. So links are in the description. Come check us out, man. Right now, we still got that $5 deal for the first month. You do it, you see what we're about, you come make some money with us, you come see what a true server of professionals is supposed to be like, and then if you like it, you stay, and if not, hey, you just become a TWR market warrior on the free side of the house. It's not a bad thing, you're just not gonna get all the great stuff, man. I give you good stuff for free, but you want the great stuff, that's where the premium membership comes in. So I'm gonna show you some highlights of today. We're gonna look at the stocks, see what we got going on into the rest of this week, hoping tomorrow will be another continuation of the day that we had today. And as always, if you're ready, follow me and let's go to war, baby. Go out there and make some money.
In the Traders War Room, yeah.
I'm using my AI chat today for the narrative of the video. Earnings are a little light this week, but there's still some notable names that we need to pay attention to. Today, the big name after hours was of course Oracle, and we'll cover that chart here in a little bit. Looking forward, we're paying attention to Academy Sports, GameStop, and Petco, which report tomorrow. And make sure you keep a pin in it, and you don't take your focus off of Adobe and RH at the end of the week. Oracle absolutely exploded after hours. Those of you that pay attention to my videos, you got in at the early bird special because I gave this to you during pre-market and said to watch this for the move. So congratulations to those that paid attention, because this was significant push, and you all will look at your portfolios tomorrow and be very happy with the results. Here's a summary of the report that they presented during earnings, and we should look for continuation at the new level. Academy Sports needs to be on your radar for tomorrow. We kind of had a stepladder to the downside effect, but we might be at support level where we can finally see a bounce to the upside and some recovery. Petco is interesting here as it has a technical setup of a downtrending wedge. Now these can go either way, but if we get a catalyst such as an earnings report that beats expectations, this could see a significant move to the upside. However, given the current price, I'm more inclined to grab shares and hold for a long position. I also wouldn't be opposed to grabbing leaps for the option strategy. GameStop should be on the radar as well, especially with earnings coming up. It received some recent push from none other than the Roaring Kitty when he posted some social media propaganda, but taking that out of the equation and looking just at the chart setup, it does seem like it's a good candidate for a break to the upside. Adobe is looking really juicy for a move. Now it does have a gap to fill at the bottom, but there's also room to run to the upside. So earnings will be key, and I believe they need to beat soundly in order to get the move to the upside we're looking for. And if they just come in line or a little short of expectations and offer some rough guidance, I believe we probably will see an initial push and then the sell-off to the downside to clear the gap. Probably the most straightforward chart as far as a technical setup we have tonight. Looking at this, you can obviously see the downtrend into consolidation. Now, typically, when you have longer time frames of consolidation, the move will be more intense, but looking at the setup, I'm more inclined to go to the downside first out of this consolidation. If they don't perform well earnings, I think we could see the stock below $200 on its way towards $150. Alright, so now that we got those out of the way, let's go ahead and hop into some of the big money-making plays that we have available and that are trending. But first, I want to give you a short preview of our premium Discord so that you can truly see what being a premium member is all about. Don't worry, it'll only take about 40 seconds, and you'll have all the information that can give you an educated decision, so you know you're getting something of value and worth when you join the team.
Come check out Traders War Room today and become Traders War Room Elite on the Discord platform. Our platform is truly a one-stop shop with over 250 channels, 40 analysts, 150 algo signals, 8 full-time staff members, 7 trade floors. We do live trading, live training, live classes, watch lists, challenges, mentorship. We trade stocks, options, crypto, future, forex, stocks, bonds, sports. Listen, if you can sell it, make money, and trade it, we got it on Traders War Room. If you're serious about learning to make money and trade, Traders War Room is what you want.
Okay, now that we squared that away and you know exactly what you get with a premium membership, let's go ahead and get into the quick blast of the big money plays that hopefully can get you $1,000 or more per trade on the day. First up, PLTR. Since the push of this going into the S&P 500, you have seen an explosion happen. Now, I do have an ultimate target near term of about $45, but I don't want you to get overly aggressive unless you plan on grabbing shares and holding long term, because it's due for a little bit of a breather, which then would allow the institutions that are now interested in it to go ahead and get into it from buy zone areas. Tesla is on the radar for both directional type of moves. I'm a bit more inclined to go with the move to the upside since the news that Panasonic is ready to ship in large quantities their EV batteries. It doesn't take much of a catalyst for Tesla to move significantly, and some good news story would definitely give the case for this to start pressing back towards that $230 range. If we failed, we could see the dump towards $205, which would get us a step lower than the recent 5-day low. Finally, we got Apple. With its unveiling of the iPhone 16 and new Watch Series 10 and Ultra 2, we can definitely see a little bit more push to the upside as long as the sentiment stays relatively warm with the new products. There was a little negative news associated with the watches, but I don't anticipate that being a real market maker move that pushes the needle significantly one way or the other, but rather if we see the sell-off, it's probably just due to the general sell-off after big news is concerned, which wouldn't be bad because we would then find support at a new buy zone for positioning long-term. But ultimately, I am looking for the push to the upside. I lied. I'm going to give you one more that I like for a big money-making play. I want you to pay attention to Broadcom. This one has seen some slide recently, but we are now at strong support levels, and I believe that we'll see a bounce to the upside clearing the recent gap. This one in particular is a fantastic day trading opportunity because when it moves either to the upside or to the downside, the dollar amount of the underlying is significant, which equates to some big profit on option strategy specifically. All right, that's all I got for you tonight, team. I hope you got some decent trade ideas that you can take and go attack the market tomorrow and the rest of this week. There's potential out there to make huge money, but it's our job to find the opportunities that are presenting themselves and taking advantage of those situations. I give you good stuff for free, but if you want the great stuff, you know that real-time, entry and exit type of fire, you gotta join the team and become a Traders War Room market warrior. Right now, I have a fantastic deal where I'm offering the first month at $5. If you love what we do and you decide you want to stay, then it just automatically rolls over into regular price at the end of the month. However, you can always cancel at any time 24/7 if you decide not to continue. So quit wasting money that's not making money. Join a team that is made of true professionals that actually teach you how to make money from trading the stock market. The link is in the description, and I'll see you when that mark of bell rings. And remember, let's go to war together.
In the Traders War Room, warring with the market every day. We on Zoom. Never gon' quit, ain't no way we gon' lose. I done made a profit and it's way before noon. Way to go, dude. Come and learn how to trade stocks.